Hey everybody, welcome to Group 1's presentation on CRISP-DM, a widely used framework in data analysis. So today we're going to walk you through the 6 phases of CRISP-DM and discuss its importance in structuring data projects. So without further ado, let's get started. So CRISP-DM, which stands for the Cross-Industry Standard Process for Data Mining, was introduced in 1999, and it provides a structured approach to managing data-driven projects and ensuring efficiency and effectiveness. This methodology is widely used across industries to help organizations turn raw data into actionable insights. Our goal today is to give you a clear understanding of how CRISP-DM works and why it is essential for data analysis. How is CRISP-DM used? CRISP-DM is used to tackle complex data problems in a structured manner. Organizations rely on it to analyze large data sets and extract meaningful insights from those data sets. By following this process, businesses can improve decision-making, enhance customer understanding, and identify trends that support strategic goals. It ensures consistency in data projects and helps teams achieve reliable results. Business understanding. The first step in CRISP-DM is business understanding. Before diving into data, we need to define the project objectives and align them with business needs. This involves identifying key problems, determining how data analysis can provide solutions, and setting clear success criteria. Engaging stakeholders in this phase ensures the project remains relevant and valuable. This brings us to step 2, data understanding. Once we understand the business goals, the next step is data understanding. This involves collecting and examining data sets to identify patterns, trends, and inconsistencies. We assess data quality and document sources to ensure we are working with reliable information. A thorough understanding of the data is crucial before moving forward with preparation and modeling.
Phase 3 is data preparation. The data preparation phase prepares the data for the next step, modeling. To do so, there are 5 steps that need to be done for data preparation. The first step is selecting your data for the next phase. It is also crucial to document why or why not data will be utilized. The second step is cleaning your data. Often this is the lengthiest step. During this step, it is important to correct, impute, or remove erroneous values. The third step is to construct data. This means creating new values that may improve the effectiveness of modeling. The fourth step is to integrate data. This means creating new data sets by combining data from multiple sources into one unified data set. This step is crucial when data is stored in different sources and formats that need to be merged for a complete view. The fifth and final step is to format your data. By reformatting your data, it ensures that the data is in the correct structure and format for analysis and modeling. This step is crucial to prevent any errors in the processing of the data that may be caused by conflicting formats or data types.
So after you have your data prepared, you'd be ready to move on to modeling, where you can apply your modeling techniques. So within this phase, you'd select your modeling techniques. So you want to choose the appropriate methods based on the data characteristics in your problem at hand. And then you want to design a test, so develop strategies to evaluate the model's performance and ensure that it meets the set objectives and goals from earlier. And then you'd build your models and then assess the models by testing and comparing them against each other. And the importance of this would be to use the models to translate the data into actionable insights that you can actually use. So next in the evaluation phase, you evaluate the model's performance. So you do this to ensure that you're meeting your objectives and goals that you set from the first phase. And some key things to do in this phase are to evaluate your results, just review the process, and then use that to determine your next steps, which would be either proceeding to deployment, refining the model, or revisiting earlier phases for more adjustments. And the importance of this would be to ensure your alignment with your objectives and goals, to identify potential issues, and also to guide decision making. So next in the deployment phase, you actually deploy your model into a real-world environment. So in this phase, you plan your deployment, you plan the monitoring and maintenance, so like establish procedures for management and performance of the model, and then you produce a final report of like the entire project, and then review/finalize the project. And the importance of this would be to ensure that your insights gained from data analysis are actually being used to effectively support your business decisions and operations.